Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Creations by Kavita Mardekar. Uh, I am showing how to make this reversible toy, and in this part I'll show how to make this body of the parrot. For that I am using this green color yarn, Vardhman Brilon, and hook size is 3 mm. So let's start this body first. To start the body, we have to form a magic ring first, and 3 chain and 7 DC. So we will count that 3 chain as a DC, and we have 8 DC in the magic ring, and we will make 7 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3. So I'll make 7 double crochet. So total we have 8 double crochet here, because this 3 chain is also a DC. Mark this 3 chain we made is our first stitch. Now in the second row we will make half double crochet in each and every stitch. We will make increased half double crochet. So we have total 16 half double crochet in this row, and we are not going to join this row with slip stitch. We work spirally. So 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Again, next stitch we will make 2 half double crochet. Now we will make only half double crochets in all the rounds. 2, so make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and this way we will increase each and every stitch of this row. So total we have 16 stitches here in this row. So here in the second row we have 16 stitches. After that in this third row we will make half DC here, half DC here. So 2 half DCs in the next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch we will increase. So half DC, half DC, and before that we will mark our first stitch. This is our first stitch, and 2 half DC. After that in the third stitch we will make increased half DC. For that we will 2 half DC in the same stitch. So first half double crochet and the second half double crochet in the same stitch. So this way we will complete this row. We will make half DC and then increased half DC in the third. So and in the third increased half DC. So we have total 20 half DCs in this row. So we made in this third row 2 half DCs and then in the third increased half DCs, that is 4 times, and we have total 20 half DCs in the third row. Row 4 and row 5 are same. We will make only half DC in each stitch. So we have total 20 half DCs in both the rows, row number 4 and row number 5. So let's make row number 4. So in this fourth row we will make half DC in each stitch. So 1 and 2, and mark that first stitch. So make half DCs in each and every stitch of the row 4 and row 5, both the rows. So we will meet after the fifth row. So row 4 is completed and now I'll start fifth row. So one, 2, this is my fifth row, and don't forget to mark the first stitch in each and every row. So we have total 20 stitches or 20 half DCs in this row. It will start curving and take the shape of head of this parrot, this part. So let's complete fifth row first. In this row number 6 we will make 4 half DC and then increase in the fifth. So we have total 24 half DC in this row. So row number 6 we will make with 6 half DCs. 1 and 2, and let me mark this first. So 3 and 4. So after making 4 half DCs I will increase in the next. So we have total 6 stitches here. Repeat this 4 times and we have 24 half DCs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this next we will make 2 in the same. So repeat this action till the end of the row. In the row number 7 we will make only half DC in each stitch. So we have total 24 half DCs. So make only half DC in each stitch in the row 7. One and 2 we will mark this first stitch. Always mark the first stitch, and we will make only half. There is no increase in this round. So we will meet. So after completing 7th row with half DCs, we will make 8th row. In the 8th row, we will make 5 times half DC in 5 stitches, and then in the 6th we will increase. So we have total 7 stitches group. It is also 4 times, so we have total 28 half DCs here. So let's start. We will make first 5 half DCs. 1 and 2, and we will mark this first stitch. Three, four, and 5. After making 5 half DC, we will increase in the next. And the second also in the same stitch. So this way 5 half DCs, and in the 6th we will increase. Here in the 9th row, we need to increase the width of his body, parrot's body. So we will make 3 half DC, and in the 4th we will increase. Total 7 times, and we have 35 stitches here. So we will make 3 half DCs, and in the 4th we will increase, and 7 times, and we have total 35 stitches in this row. One and 2 and 3 and increase in the 4th. So every time we will increase in the 4th. So here again 1, 2, 3, and after making 3 half DC, and we will increase in this next one. We will make 2 half DC in the same stitch. Complete this row, repeat this action, 3 half DC and increase, 3 and increase. So this way finish this row.